Hello folks, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan, and this car came in with power seats now working on the driver's side. And one of the most common problems with these is the wires here seems to have a problem, and some of them get cut off, and they cause AC not to work, and I think it acts up with the power seats switch not working, and other kind of electrical things that may be connected to the wire harness that's coming from the car. Now with this one is a little different. It was in the wires. It was actually burnt fuse, and the fuse is this one. It's the 40 amp, and if we look here, it's J8, and J8 indicates it's a power memory seat, and that's a 48. Again, it's located right here, and this is it just actually blew on me because I tried to move it. I don't know why, but this is the old fuse. That was kind of weird. I don't know why it blew out on me. I think I may need to investigate this a little bit. But to keep on going though, okay, so long story short, this is the fuse that need to be replaced. There is a couple of burnt ones that I have now. The original one that was burnt that I replaced with this, and as soon as I tried to pull it to show you guys that this is a good fuse, it burnt. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this with another good fuse and see if it gets burned again. I may need to. Okay, so it's good now. I'm not seeing any problems. Let's see if we can move the seats now. Seat is working. So I'm gonna keep testing this to see if it would blow up again. If it does, then we probably got some shortage. But I don't think that's a problem. I think just the way that I moved it kind of, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that for now, and I'm gonna keep watching this. If this gets burnt again, I will come back and record another video. So just keep watching. Otherwise, this is the fuse. This is the fuse that you guys need to make sure that it's not burnt. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.